Hello, I'm Fabio Terezinho, Vice President of Integration Service Partners for AVEVA. Parag Kale from Infosys. Excellent. A silver sponsor of AVEVA World 2026. Please let us know what Infosys is showing here.
So we are showcasing the AVEVA Pi plus AVEVA Connect Operational Intelligence Services plus an MES SCADA along with the digital engineering workflows. And what's super exciting here is how the clients are trying to see how to unify the operations and engineering data for smarter decisions and moving faster.
Yeah, Infosys is a long-term alliance partner from AVEVA.
Yes.
So it's great that you're demonstrating the integration of the whole portfolio. And I heard you're demonstrating something about cognitive industrial intelligence and applying AI to projects as well.
Yes, we do. We are showcasing the kind of AI-powered engineering as well alongside the MES and SCADA workflows.
Wonderful. What's the key message that you bring with you from AVEVA World this year?
So what we are seeing this week throughout the 2 days is clients are excited in having the unified data foundations. They want the operational intelligence at scale. They don't want just a practical kind of an experimentation approach. They want to see something. They want it to be adopted at scale as well.
With proven results.
Proven results.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you all.